Welcome to the DeBuck's family farm. Located off Martz Road in Belleville, Michigan. Follow the parking signs and have your digital admission ticket ready to be scanned.
Yes.
Perfect. As your
Once you have a wristband, enjoy all the farm has to offer. Take a wagon ride out to the tulips.
Welcome to DeBuck's.
Immerse yourself in the beautiful colors of the expansive tulip beds. Hit the social media feeds or capture memories with the family. Enjoy a delicious treat on the go or sit down for a meal. Let the kids play in over 20 fun attractions. You're sure to find it all at the DeBuck's Family Farm.